Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, class. Today we continue our lecture in chapter 2. For this chapter is about partnering to build customer engagement, value and relationship. Okay, now class, this is our learning objective for chapter 2. First objective is to explain company-wide strategic planning and its 4 steps. Second objective for chapter 2 is to discuss how to design business portfolio and develop growth strategy. Next, learning objective is to explain marketing's role in strategic planning and how marketing works with its partner to create and deliver customer value. Objective number 4 for this chapter is to describe the element of customer value driven marketing strategy and the mix and the force that influence them. And the last objective for chapter 2 is to list marketing management function, including the elements of marketing plan, and discuss the importance of measuring and managing marketing return on investment. Look at today's slide, class. This slide show you how Nike building customer value through brand engagement and community. Nike represents something bigger than just sport apparel and gear. It have about an attitude, sport passion, and a deep kinship and a sense of community surrounding the brand, and the brand has become a value part of the customer life and in the times, which help it maintain market share dominance in a competitive sport footwear industry. Moving to learning objective number 1 for chapter 2 is to explain company-wide strategic planning and its 4 steps. Next, in learning objective 1, we have company-wide strategic planning. This can define as the process of developing and maintaining a strategic fit between organizations' goal and capability and its changing marketing opportunities. Strategic planning set the stage of the rest of planning in the firm. Companies usually prepare annual plans, long-term plans, and strategic plans. The annual and long-range plans deal with the company's current business and how to keep them going. In contrast, the strategic plan involves adapting the firm to take advantage of the opportunity and its constantly changing environment. Look at to this slide, class. This slide have a figure 2.1, which is represents step in the strategic planning. At the corporate level, companies start a strategic planning process by defining its overall purpose and missions, as it shown in figure 2.1. This mission is then turned into detailed supporting objectives that guide the entire company. Next, headquarters decide that portfolio of the business and product is the best for the company and how much support to give each one. In turn, each business and product develops detailed marketing and other department plans that support the company-wide plans. Thus, a marketing planning occurs at the business unit product and market product. It supports company strategic planning, with more detailed plan for specific marketing opportunities. For to describe this, okay, as you can see, my mouse is moving on the first step, defining company missions. Okay, for defining company mission, the chart shows that the first step, they are the corporate level, and the fourth step at the business unit product and marketing level. Fourth step in the sequence with the arrow point dot one to the next. Okay, a thin dot here. You can see a thin dot here. A line separate the third and the fourth step. Okay, for defining company missions, it have to focus on the company-wide strategic planning guide and marketing strategic planning. And then moving to step number 2, setting company objective and goal. After that, moving to step number 3, planning, marketing and other functional strategy. And then step number 4 is at the business unit. Planning, marketing and other function strategy, we have to focus on like the marketing strategy and the board company strategy must be customer focused. Moving to company-wide strategic planning, and this slide have a mission statement. Mission statement has been defined as the organization purpose, what it wants to accomplish in the large environments. Here, we bring you example from CVS Health. CVS Health, our mission is to be a pharmacy innovation company, one that is helping people on their way to better health. Its marketing strategy and a program must support these statements. So, Forgin and sound missions begin with the following question. Okay, mission statement must answer all of these questions. First question, what is your business? So next question is, who is your customer? And the next question you have to answer in order to write a good mission statement is, what do customer value? And the last question you must to answer in order to write a good mission statement is, what should our business be? These simple surrounding questions are among the most difficult company will ever to answer. Successful companies continuously raise these questions and answer them carefully and completely. A mission statement should, this is a criteria for mission statement. A mission statement should be myopic in the product term, must be meaningful and specific, and must be something motivating your customer to get your product or service. It also must be emphasize the company's strength and must contain specific workable guideline, and last is not be stated as making sale and profit. Moving to the next slide. In this slide, we have table 2.1 has additional examples of product versus market oriented business definition. Here, this table have two examples from a big multinational company, which are Starbucks and Penetra. Starbucks actually they focus on sell coffee and snack, and they define their market orientation as, we sell the Starbucks experience, one that enrich people's life in one moment, one a human being, one extraordinary cup of coffee at time. However, for Panera define their product orientations as, we sell fast casual food in our restaurant. So their market orientation definition is for, we give customer food as it should be, food that tastes good, food that feel good, food that does a good things for them and a world around them. We continue on learning objective number 1 about setting company objective and goal. Business objective basically refer to build profitable customer relationship, to invest in a research and improve profit. But for marketing objective, is usually aim to increase market share and also aim to create local partnership and increase promotion. The company needs to turn its mission into the detailed supporting objective for each level of management. Each manager should have objective and be responsible for reaching them. The company can tie a diverse product portfolio together under mission. This broad mission lead to hierarchy of the objective, including business objective and marketing objective, such as to build profitable customer relationship by developing superior product. Moving on a real marketing 2.1, Airbnb's missions. Airbnb's mission is help to create a world where you can belong everywhere and where people can live in a place instead of just traveling to it. The brand's below logo and the universal symbol of belongings. As you can see here, the picture show you example of Airbnb missions. We done learning objective number 1. Now we continue on learning objective number 2. Is to discuss how design business portfolio and develop growth strategies. For learning objective 2, we have Marx Incorporation as example to explain this sub-objective. Okay, this objective is about designing business portfolio. Business portfolio defined as a collection of businesses and a product that make up the company. While portfolio analysis is a major activity in a strategic planning whereby management evaluate the product and business that make up the company. For example, here we have Marx Incorporation. It's not only the world's number 1 candy maker, it also a world-leading pet nutrition and healthcare company. Actually, class, the best business portfolio is the one that best fit company's strengths and weaknesses to opportunities in the environments. Business portfolio planning involves 2 steps. First step, company must analyze in the current business portfolio and determine which businesses should reach more or less or no investment. Second, it must shape the future portfolio for developing strategy for growth and downsizing. We're still in learning objective number 2. So we continue on designing business portfolio, more on a business strategic unit. The company assess the attractiveness of the various strategic business unit and decide how much support each deserve. So here a strategic business unit can be a company division or a product line with a division or a single product and brand, or it can be a combination 3 of these. Okay class, here is analyzing the current business portfolio step. It starts with identify strategic business unit, SBU. After that, assess the attractiveness of the various SBU. Lastly, decide how much support for each SBU deserve. When designing business portfolio, it's a good idea to add and support product and businesses that fit closely with the firm core philosophy and competency. The purpose of the strategic planning is to find a way in a company can best use its strength to take advantage of the attractive opportunities in the environments. For this reason, more standard portfolio analysis method evaluate SBU on 2 important dimensions: the attractiveness of SBU market or industry and the strength of the SBU's position in the market or industry. Okay, this slide still on designing business portfolio. A BCG growth share metric. BCG's growth share metric referring to Boston Consulting Group approach. The growth share metric define 4 steps of SBU. You can see here market growth, low to high, and a relative market share from high to low. A star indicate high growth and high share business or product requiring heavy investment to finance rapid growth. They will eventually turn into cash cow. Cash cow are long growth, high share business and a product they are established and a successful SBU requiring less investment to maintain market share. Next, we have question mark beside star. Question mark, a low share business unit in a high growth market required a lot of cash to hold their share. Next, under question mark, we have dog. Dog are low growth, low share businesses and a product may generate enough cash to maintain themselves but do not promise to be a large source of cash. But you have to note that the market growth rate under the classic BCG portfolio planning approach, the company investment fund from a mature, successful product and businesses, or we can say cash cow, to support promised product and business in faster growing market. For example, a star and question mark, hoping to turn them into future cash cow. Next, another thing that we have to take note is we call as a dog. Dog shell rate. The company must decide how much it will invest to each product or businesses for each SBU, and it must decide whether to build, hold, harvest or diverse. Next, moving on a problem with the metric approaches. Metric approaches come with several problems as you can see on this slide. First problem is difficulty in defining SBU and measuring market share and growth. And also use more time in doing metric approaches. And it also comes with another problem which is more expensive and is required to focus on the current businesses but not for future planning. As you can see here, I show you example from ESPN. ESPN over the years has grown to become a huge complex brand portfolio consisting of more than 50 different entities. Okay? Because of this problem that I just explained to you, many companies have dropped former metric method in favor more customized approaches that better suit with specific situations. Increasingly, companies are placing responsibility for strategic planning in the hand of cross-functional teams of divisional managers who are close to their market. We continue objective number 2, learning objective number 2 about designing business portfolio. As you can see in this slide, figure 2.3 show you the product or market expansion grid. Market, actually, they are needs to identify, evaluate and select market opportunities and establish strategies for capturing them. One useful device for identifying growth opportunities in the product or market expansion grid in a figure 2.3. Market penetrations. Okay, we have here market penetrations. It can be described as involve market more sales to current customer without changing its original product, such as by adding new store in a current market area to make it easier for customer to visit. Next, we have market developments. Involve identifying and developing new markets for its current product. For instance, manager could review a new demographic for markets. Perhaps a new group such as senior could be encouraged. Manager could consider new geography in a market in the US market or non-US market especially Asia. Next, we have product developments. Product developments involve offering, modify, or a new product to current market, such as moving into a new product categories. Last, we have diversification, involve starting up, buy, or buying businesses beyond its current product and markets. For example, company could acquire a company that operate in different market segments with a different product mix. Okay, as you can see here, market penetration is about existing market and existing product. For diversification is a new market and a new product. To help you understand more about product expansion, I give you example from a Starbucks. Okay, for diversifications, through the diversification, companies can grow by starting or buying business outside their current product or market. For example, Starbucks is entering ultra premium market with Starbucks Reverse, Roasteries, and Prince Bakery and Cafe Shop. Okay, and then next, for market development, we use Starbucks also as an example. Company can grow by developing new market for existing product. Example here, again, Starbucks is expanding rapidly in China. They open a new store there every 15 hours. Now, moving on strategy for growth and downsizing. Strategy for growth is actually about to maintain its incredible growth. Starbucks has a brew up an ambitious multi-pronged growth strategy. Starbucks use market penetration. Starbucks also use market development and product development to growth. Companies must develop not only strategies for growing their business portfolio, but also strategy for downsizing them. When a firm finds a brand or businesses that are unprofitable or that not longer fit with the strategy, it must prune, harvest, or divest them. Moving on downsizing under objective number 2. Downsizing refers as a company must prune or harvest or divest businesses that are unprofitable or that no longer fit to the strategy. A firm may want to abandon products or markets for a number of reasons. The firm may have grown too fast or to enter area where there is a lack of experience. The market environment may change and making some of the product and market less profitable. Some product or business units simply age and die. Now we move to learning objective number 3. Objective number 3 required us to explain marketing rules in a strategic planning and how marketing works with its partners to create and deliver customer value. For learning objective number 2, we start with partnering to build customer relationship. Under partnering, we have value change. Value change is a series of departments that carry out value creating activity to design, produce, market, deliver, and support a firm product. Marketing alone cannot create superior customer value. So, under a company-wide strategic plan, marketer must work closely with other departments to form an effective internal company value change. Okay, here is example for a value change. Value change from Walmart. How Walmart do value change? Walmart's ability to help you with a slogan, save money, life better. By offering the right product, Walmart's offer product at lower price depending on the contribution of people in all companies' department. Again, marketing alone cannot create superior customer value. So under the company-wide strategic plan, marketer must work closely with another department to form an effective internal company value chain. Moving on, value delivery networks. More companies today are partnering with other members of the supply to improve performance of the customer value delivery network. Nowadays, competition no longer takes place only between individual competitors. Rather, it takes place between entire value delivery network created by this competitor. A value delivery network can be defined as it's made of the company, supplier, a distributor, and its ultimate customer who partner with each other to improve performance of this entire system. Moving to learning objective 4, to describe the elements of customer value driven marketing strategy and a mix and the force that influence them. Next, in this slide, we have figure 2.4. Customers stand in the center of figure 2.4, where the goal is to create value for customer and build profitable customer relationship. Next comes with a marketing strategy, the marketing logic which the company hopes to create this customer value and achieve this profitable relationship. The company decides to which customer it will serve, about segmentation and targeting, and how to differentiation and positioning their product or service. It's guided by marketing strategy. The company design an integrated marketing mix made up of falls under control 4P, which are product, price, place, and promotion. To find the best strategy and a mix, the company engaged in marketing analysis, the planning, implementation, and also control. Through these activities, the company watch and adapt to the actors and a force in the marketing environment. Next, we have marketing strategy. Marketing strategy involve deciding which customer the firm will serve for their segmentation and targeting, and how differentiation and positioning. It identify the total market and divide into smaller segments, select the most promising segment, and focus on serving and satisfying the customer in this segment. If you can see on this slide, this slide define marketing strategy as marketing logic by which the company hope to create customer value and achieve profitable customer relationship. Continue on market segmentation and market segment. Market segmentations means it's the division of markets into distinct group of buyers who have different needs, characteristic or behavior, and who might require separate product or marketing mix. The market consists of many types of customer, product, and needs. The marketer must define which segment offer the best opportunity. So customer can be grouped into serve in a various way based on geographic, based on their demographic, psychographic, and behavioral factors. Every market has their segments. Okay, segment here refer to a group of customer who respond in a similar way to given set of marketing assets. So, even market segments, but not all ways of segmenting a market are equally useful. So, companies are wise to focus their effort on marketing the distinct needs of individual market segment. This slide show you three main important things under customer value driven marketing strategy, which are market targeting, market positioning, and differentiations. So we look into one by one their definition, starting with Market targeting is the process of evaluating each market segment's attractiveness and selecting one more segment to enter. Okay, company should target segment which it can profitably generate that greatest customer value and sustain it over time. Company might decide to serve only one or a few special segment or market needs, segment that major competitors overlook or ignore. Several related segments, perhaps those with a different kind of customer but with the same basic want. All market segments offer a complete range of products. Most companies enter a new market by serving a single segment. If this proves successful, they add more segments. And then we have market positionings, referring to arranging for a product to occupy a clear, distinctive, and desirable place relative to competing product in the mind of target customer, while differentiations begin the positioning process. The company must define how to differentiate its market offering for each target segment and what position it wants to occupy into this segment. A product position is the place it occupied relative to competitors' product in a consumer minds. So, marketers plan a position that distinguish their product from the competing brand and give them a greatest advantage in their target markets. Okay, class. This slide shows a real example for positioning from Sarabel Urban Transportation Company. A line position itself as a smart mobility for the modern world. As such simple statement from the backbone of the brand marketing strategy. A company must determine how to differentiate its market offering for its target segment, what position it wants to occupy in this segment. After determining all overall marketing strategy, the company is ready to begin planning the detail of the marketing mix, one of the major concepts in a modern marketing. The marketing mix consists of everything the firm can do to influence the demand for its product. As you can see here, marketing mix is a set of controllable tactical marketing tools consists of a product, price, place, and promotions, 4P, that the firm plans to produce a response it wants in the target market. The marketing mix consists of everything that firm can do to influence the demand for its product. For example, here, Telsa grew quickly and gained equity in a competitive market by focusing on a small niche. This slide shows you 4 pieces of marketing mix. The many possibilities can be controlled into 4 groups of variables. The 4 P's. First P refer to product. First P refer to product means that goods and service combinations the company offer to the target market. Next, we have price. It's the amount of money customer must pay to obtain the product. Under the price, we have place. It includes a company activities that make the product available to target customer. Beside the place, we have promotion. Promotions refer to activities that communicate the merit of the product and persuade target customer to buy it. And effective marketing programs blend the marketing mix element into integrated marketing programs to design to achieve the company's marketing objective by delivering value to customer. The marketing mix constitute the company tactic toolkits for establishing strong positioning in the market or strong positioning in target market. Some critics think that 4P may omit or underemphasize a certain important activity. For example, they ask, where are service? Or where is the packaging? As a figure 2.5 suggests many marketing activities that might appear to be left out the marketing mix, where marketing mix includes under one of 4 P's. The issue is not whether there should be 4, 6 or 10 P, so much as what framework is more helpful in the designing integrated marketing program. It is interesting to ask how to make 4P more customer-centric. This leads to redefining of 4P to the 4 C's as follows: product to customer solution, price to customer cost, place to convenience, promotion to communication. We're moving to learning objective 5 is to list the marketing management functions, including the elements of marketing plan, and discuss the importance of measuring and managing marketing return on investment. Managing the marketing process required 4 marketing management functions shown in figure 2.6. Consists of analysis, planning, implementation, and control. The company first develop company-wide strategy plan and then translate them into marketing and other plan for each division, product, and brand. Through the implementation, the company turn the plan into action. Control consists of measuring and evaluating the result of marketing activities and taking corrective action where needed. Finally, marketing analysis provide information and evaluation needed for all other marketing activities. The company should analyze its market and marketing environment to find attractive opportunities and identify environmental threats. It should analyze company strengths and weaknesses as well as current possible marketing action to determine which opportunity it can be best to pursue. The goal is to match a company's strength to attractive opportunities in the environment while simultaneously eliminating or overcoming the weaknesses and minimizing the threats. Marketing analysis provide input to each of other marketing management function. So here we have a SWOT analysis for marketing analysis. SWOT is S is strength, W is weaknesses, O for opportunity, and T for threat. One variable of the mix has the value internal and external. The value of other variables are positive and negative. The metric content for each of these combination are as follows. You can see internal positive, internal and positive, internal and positive. So-called as opportunity. So-called as a strength. The internal capabilities that help the company reach its objective. For internal and negative, it's called as weaknesses. Internal limitations that may interfere with the company ability to achieve its objective. If we have internal, external, and positive, that one is for opportunity. Opportunity, external factors that the company may able to exploit its advantage. Last, external and negative, so-called as a threat. Threat is a current and emerging external factors that may challenge the company performance. SWOT analysis is match the company's strength to achieve opportunity in the environment while eliminating or overcoming the weaknesses and minimizing the threats. Another things we have to concern, SWOT is pronounced as SWOT. It's a widely used tool for conducting situation analysis. You will find yourself using a lot in the future, especially when analyzing business cases. Moving on, market planning. Marketing planning involves choosing marketing strategy that will help company attain its overall strategy objective. A detailed marketing plan is needed for each business's product or brand. So what does a marketing plan looks like? Here, table 2.2 outline the major sections of typical product or brand marketing plan. It consists of executive summary, marketing situations, threat and opportunity, objective and issue. They also have marketing strategy, action program, budget, and then control. Moving on, marketing implementation. A brilliant marketing strategy counts for a little if a company fails to implement it properly. Many managers think that doing things right, implementation as important as, even more important, doing the right things. The fact is both critical to success, and a company can gain competitive advantage through effective implementation. Turning marketing strategy, marketing plan is actually turning marketing strategy and plan into marketing actions to accomplish strategic marketing objective. It involves address who, where, when, and how. Moving on, measuring and managing return on marketing investment. Measuring return on marketing investment has become a major marketing emphasis. A company can assess marketing ROI in terms of standard marketing performance measures such as brand awareness, sales, market share. Many companies assemble such measures into marketing dashboard, such as a meaningful set of marketing performance measures and a single display used to monitor strategic marketing performance. Increasingly, however, beyond the standard performance measure, marketers are using customer-centered measure of marketing impact, such as customer acquisition, customer retention, customer lifetime value, and customer equity. We can view marketing expenditure as investments that the product return in the form of more profitable customer relationship. In a good times and bad, whether all marketers are ready for it, they are going to be asked to justify their spending for financial data, says one marketer. And another marketer said, have got to know how to count. Okay class, in this slide, as you can see, figure 2.8 show you marketing return on investment flow chart. Okay, the chart start with a marketing investment on top, leading to marketing return, and then there on to marketing return on investment. Another flow on the same chart also show that the cost of marketing investment is measured by marketing return on investment. Marketing return is further explained as improved customer value and engagement, leading to increased customer attraction and increased customer retention. These two lead to increased customer lifetime value and customer equity. So please take note that beyond measuring marketing return on investment in terms of standard performance measure such as sales and marketing share, many companies are using customer relation measure such as customer satisfaction, customer engagement, customer retention, and also equity. These are more difficult to measure but capture both current and future performance.